Welcome back, student, in your University Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I am here discuss teaching aptitude in a easy way. So first of all, what is teaching aptitude? Teaching aptitude, nothing just a it is your natural ability and interest in teaching. Okay, teaching is an art. It is dynamic and need to grow. And more than just a degree, it is about how you handle real classroom situation and problem. Now next, for teaching to work, you need three key players. Like first of all, three pillars of teaching. First one is teacher, second one is student, and third one is most important, crucial role of side subject. Mean it is a triangle: teacher, subject, teacher, student, and subject. Okay, teacher is a guide, and student is a learner, and subject is a content. Okay, then again, if you remove one of them, then process will be collapse. First of all, teachers key qualities and knowledge. Okay, good teacher need to be a well-rounded person. Okay, here what they need: know the students, means understand that every child is different. Okay, know the subject, it means be an expert in what you teach. Know your impact, means see how your teaching affects students. And finally, know teaching method, how a tool box of way to teach. Then next one is teacher knowledge in action. Like example, if student is shy and never speaks up, student is shy and never speak up, mean good teacher action. Instead of instead of forcing them to answer in front of class, the teacher lets them write the answer down and share it in a small group first. Okay, then next example, if situation becomes like a student asks a deep question about why sky is blue, means good teacher actions. A teacher confidently explain relay scattering in simple terms, satisfying students' curiosity and boosting their own credibility. Okay, the next one is important teaching principle and formulas. Like some simple teaching principles are motivations, means make it interesting, like that start history lesson with existing history, not just date. Then after that activity, let students do things like a science experiment instead of just reading about it. Do science experiment, okay, not just reading. Finally, from known to unknown, means connect new idea to what they already know. Give an example, adding fraction is like adding pieces of some same size pizza. If you want to convey your idea to the student, adding fraction, so first of all, you have to do, you ask to do the student adding pieces of same size of pizza. Okay, then first of all, simple teaching formulas, like easy to difficult, you move easy to difficult. Teach addition before algebra, not algebra first. Teach addition before algebra, and after that simple to complex. Teach about cell before teaching about entire organ system. Okay, first of all, you teach about cell before organ system. General to particular, like mammals feed their young milk. Okay, means it is a journal perspective. Before whales are mammal. It is a particular example that it is a complex example. Okay. Then after that, understanding student means every student is unique, not our same. A good teacher recognizes these common traits like clean slate. Mean young children is like a blank page. It means they learn from what they see and experience. Example, a child learn language by hearing their family talk and respective. They are like spongy, absorbing information quickly. Like toddler can easily learn a second language. I mean, a small newborn baby means toddler can easily learn a second language. And after that, different nature and abilities. Some are shy, some students are shy, some are bold, some are learn fast, some need more time. By example, in math class, one student might grasp a concept immediately, while another need extra time and extra help. Then difficult and after that different interest. It may be defined as one student may love art and another may love sport. Okay, another may be love singing, presenting subject effectively. Teacher have some quality like presenting the subject effectively. It not just what you teach, but how you present it. Like match mental level. Don't teach calculus to fifth grade because this subject is not related to the fifth grade level. Adjust the complexity, like make it interesting. If teaching about plant, then teacher should be take them outside, look to real leaves and flower, and after that break it down. Don't teach entire history of Rome in one go. First of all, break it into chapter like kings, republic, empire. After that, use example. Teacher should use example to teach like gravity. To first of all, show a video of apple falling or an astronaut on the moon. The concept will be clear immediately if you use example method. After that, include activities. If you teach volume related concept, to teach volume, have student measure water in different size container. It will be easy for the student. What really is teaching aptitude? First, the key inside teaching aptitude is not about having a teaching degree. It is about how you handle real classroom situation and problems. It means it is a practical, means how you react to daily room problem and matter most. Teacher should be adaptive. Every student is different. So no textbook has all answer. It may be different. It is a creativity and creative. You need to solve unique problem on the spot. And it's a initiative based on your knowledge, experience and understanding. After that, teaching skills. Teaching skills, the real test, like real classroom. If two students fight during class, situation becomes so complex. Both have different region. So teaching skills solve this problem. The teacher does not use standard punishment. Instead, they can use understand each student's perspective, address the root cause of differently and help them find a solution that works for both. And keeping it in mind, no rule book can cover any situation. Similar situation may need different solution. Your instant decision making is what counts. Okay, after that, where teaching aptitude is tested. Teachers need good judgment in this area, like understanding child psychology, teacher student relationship, handling different intelligence level, discipline problem, homework strategy, parent teacher relations, colleague relationship, motivation techniques, teaching methods, using teaching aids, blackboard skills, and finally, lesson planning. After that, power of the question. Socrates method. In Socrates is a first one of the first one of the questionary in that area in Greek or Roman area. Like why question are so powerful? Question have been used since Socrates time because they make students think actively. Question make students think actively, check understanding instantly, keep class engaged and alert, develop critical thinking skills. So question is so important. Like instead of the water cycle has evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, you should try to ask a example or question like what happened to rainwater, where it go, where does it go, and how does it come back to us. It is a most interesting question instead of a first statement. It make student creative, analytic, and level of thinking can be improved by such type of questions. Then it is a more interesting question rather than first one. Okay. Then powerful reason to ask question. Powerful reason to ask question why it is so important. Question is so why it is so important because it motivates student, create interest, connect to prior knowledge, and encourage thinking, identifies difficulties, share experience, keep class alert, check understanding, ensure participation, develop analysis skills, improve expressions, and focus attentions. Finally, after that, how to ask a good question means there are 11 guidelines like one idea per question means keep it focused, have a clear purpose means know why are you asking, be clear and brief means no confusing language, ask a logical order means build from simple to complex, math student level means not too easy, not too hard, make them think, avoid yes or no question, it should be in detail, include everyone, don't just focus on bright student because teaching should be inclusive. What is good answer look like? When student answer, then look for complete sentence, not like just a yes or no. Clear language, proper vocabulary should be in answer of student. Clear meaning means you understand what they may mean. Stay on topic means answer the question asked. Has a main point means not rambling. It will not be either this side or this side. Maybe main point, not rambling. Based on knowledge means not be guessing. Okay, not repetitive means say something new, not repetition. Teacher's role, teacher's role, guide student to give better answer by asking follow-up question like, can you explain that more? Or what makes you think that? It means it make interest in the area what you teach in your class. Summary mean complete teaching pictures. Teacher must be knowledgeable, adaptable, and caring. Student must be understood as a unique individual. Not all are same. Subject must be presented in a clear, engaging way. Aptitude is shown through daily problem solving skills. Question means a method, it make a powerful tools, teaching tools. After that, core message, great teaching means knowledge plus skill plus adaptability plus right question. Your teaching journey start now means remember you don't need to be perfect. You need to be present, patient, and prepared to learn from your students. First step, start by observing your student more. Practice asking better question. Reflect on what works and what doesn't. Keep learning and adapting. So finally, this part of my teaching aptitude videos will be going end. Happy teaching. Okay. Thanks for joining this YouTube channel. If you like this video, so please share the video and uh, make comment in the below section. Thanks for joining.